Whoa, 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 no, no. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time that you all been waiting for, or him. Yeah, that guy back there. He's more freaking than me. I mean, every day. Did you put him on it? Did you put him on it? No, Frank, you didn't put him on it. But it's time to put the wheels on.
Listen, people. Wheels is like new shoes. You buy them and you don't put them in the cupboard, you wear them. This man buy new shoes and don't put them on. So I'm right, ain't I? Yeah? Hit the subscribe button. Let me know that I'm right, okay?
I'm just gonna hand him the camera because you know what? He got it down. Time to put the wheels on. And I also got some, I'm gonna do some stud conversion because I don't want those lug nuts anymore. So I got stud conversion I'm gonna do. And finally, I'm gonna be able to shut him up. Well, maybe. We shall see. Take a last look at it because this is the last time you guys will ever see it like this. Fuck off. And then I think I'm gonna raise it back up at least maybe 1/4 of an inch. It's kind of low. I don't know, I'll see first. But the front, shut the hell up, asshole. I'm taping here. And then the front, you want to become YouTube famous, asshole? The front, I think I might go down 1/4 of an inch. But like I said, there's gonna be a lot of adjustments to do. I gotta clean all my calipers and the wheel well and all that stuff, but it's looking good, but it's gonna look a lot better.
Me again, people. Walk on, me there. One more time.
You see the shit I gotta put up with? Oh my lord.
You shouldn't tell me you're home then.
He does know that the white folks is not gonna understand him, eh? Hey, ladies down out there for me, please. Thank you very much.
Oh, you don't want them again?
You take your eyes off my freaking wheels, for crying out loud.
This would make a nice set of winters for my car.
Wait, 20-inch, you know what? People, let's get back to this thing over here, okay? So I gotta clean this up and all this dirtiness in here. This thing's never been cleaned. But first, wheel conversion studs, because man, this thing, I hate these things. So what I got here is from TPI, full set. The only problem, it even comes with its own key. The only thing I didn't like, if I can get one of these out, this right here, the nut is just a little bit short. Right, nut? Oh, you don't got nothing to say now, eh?
No nuts around there. I see one peanut head over there.
Oh shit, son. Oh man. Well, this nut is too small. So what I end up getting is some motorsport hardware with some longer nuts. These nuts. So I got some nice longer tuner nuts. Let's see if we can get you a good picture here. So that's the difference between both of them. And these are like a gunmetal color that's gonna fit better with the wheel. So I'm gonna use these studs, but not these heads. Stud and head. Shut up.
Your videos are becoming too X-rated. I just watched the other video, and by yourself, there was too much sexual content.
Too much sexual content.
You're talking about lube and slide and tight.
And I didn't do it on purpose. So the reason we have a key here, so it goes over here. And look at that. Some of them come with an Allen key in the head, but these heads are nice and rounded. Focus. Nice and rounded, and then it comes with the key that helps to tighten it in here. So I'm gonna go get my wheel, the red wheel lock to put it on so it stays locked in there. But before I do all that, I'm gonna clean all this up first, and then I'll come back to the video. Now it's time to put the studs in. I finished cleaning up everything. As you can see, it's nice and clean. First time I've cleaned it in a year, and yeah, that's not nice. So Mr. Frank over here is putting some Loctite on, and then put them all in. Man, this thing is the best. The ones with the Allen key, trust me. Guys, if you're gonna get it, I'll put the description. You gotta get these ones. They are so much nicer to use. Man, they are thick, and it comes with a rounded head and everything. Frank's lubing it up. We don't like it dry around here.
Here we go.
Hey,
here we go.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
So you say old perverts? Yes, I am. And don't you forget it.
I'm not a pervert, I'm a vert.
You're something. Tighten these up a bit. So it says to do anywhere from 88 to 102 foot-pound. I choose 96, why not? And then we just go on and we torque them out. All right, and now we're just gonna repeat this process all the way around the car, and trust me, I'm not gonna show you guys that because that's just too repetitive. So now, no more fighting with the wheels to lining up the holes. Now you just slide it on. Oh boy, here we go. Don't say nothing, Frank, just leave it alone. I will just let these things speak for themselves. All right, this is what everyone been waiting for, especially Frank. No, not this one, the other one. Every day. Are you put those things on yet? No. Hey, Frank.
Yeah.
They're going on.
Finally. I was gonna teeth them next week if they didn't.
Yo, don't make me laugh. See, that's so much easier than freaking running around freaking. Oh, jeez. Oh, man, just look at that. Now it's time for the nice wide 305s in the back. Can't wait to see this thing on the ground. Here we go, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, I should say. Can't find the hole.
You put the studs on for nothing.
Still easier. All right, now look at that. Now it's time to lower it on the ground and bring it outside. Well guys, I thought I was happy with the way the engine comes out, but oh boy, I'm telling you, wheels do so much to a car, right Frank? Yeah. I'm looking at this car and it's like from eclipse to the brightest day. It's better than night and day. No words, let me show you. Look at that beauty, oh my lord, just look at that. Wait till we get it out in the sun. Oh. Can't wait to show you guys this. Just look at that. Yeah. Stance is good on this baby. Hey Frank, you know what? Take it out over there on the street. Let's see it in the sun. Oh my lord, look at that thing. Oh shit son, this is just crazy. Just look how
raise the back just enough.
Perfect this thing looks. Oh my god. Not too high, not too low, but man, just look at this thing. This thing is just sitting pretty. And then we got the filters in the front here. Okay Frank, before I say anything, what's your opinion?
You know what, I think you should just take them off and let me put them on my car. You know, I could put some red accents on mine and let it drop. I think it was just a waste of time. Show the people.
Oh man, I'm telling you guys.
Definitely worth the wait. They look amazing. They look really good.
I'm not saying it because it's my
opinion. I love it as well. I love the way it looks.
Oh,
it looks really good to me.
Let's show you again. Oh my, just look at that. What more can you ask for? Look at that thing. Okay guys, well, you see it for yourself, and I'm telling you, the camera doesn't do it justice. It looks a lot better than it's showing right now. Man, he drove it already. I haven't driven it yet. I can't wait, but imagine when I do the rest of the stuff, the rest of the carbon fiber, you're just gonna have to wait to see. But that's it for now, and like I said, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Yo, stop taking pictures of my car, man. What is this? The man's just taking pictures all day long. But like I said, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and remember to click that notification bell because there's lots more videos of all the cars coming up. That's it for now. Laters.